haven't seen anything at the bottom of this tree, but I'm definitely going to go in there, but I definitely don't see anything. So this was pruned. You can see all the areas where I pruned this tree some time back. And I haven't gotten any cherries yet, not as of yet, but she's always looking healthy. Y'all see the hourglass on her and the shape of her? She's always looking healthy. Now, which one is this? Which tree is this, you guys? Oh boy. I don't know what this one is. Oh, no, 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 no. Peach, 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 peach. This is one of my peach trees. Yep, one of my peach trees. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I got two out here. Yep, I think I got two peach trees out here. And she's always looking happy as well. It's getting really tall. So definitely come the end of the season, I'm chopping these bad boys in half. Definitely. So let's see. I think last year I did see some peaches last year. Not a lot, but they did come in. Okay. Over here, this one is another persimmon, I believe. Yeah, I think this one is another persimmon. If she's not a persimmon, she's a peach too. But I think this is my other persimmon. I definitely have to do better at my labeling. Over here is the pear moon glow. She is happy. I did come in here and prune her as well. She's standing tall. She has that hourglass shape. She can actually use a haircut in half too. So all of these is definitely going to get big, big haircuts come the end of the season. And again, nature is at work. They're forming their nest. Oh yeah. Over here is another, I think this is plum, not plum, pear. I think this one is, I think, an apple. And I think this one is, yep, another peach. And this one is the early Alberta peach. And she's looking really happy too. Let me step back so you can see her. The other two, they are still at a miniature look stage, but overall looking good and healthy. So over here is either the Nagami Kumquat or my Wabi Satsuma. It's one or the other. Totally forgot. They look the same, but finally got them in the ground too. And I hope they adjust. I did put some nitrogen in the roots. I patted it down with some nitrogen to give them a boost. I watered them in really good. So hopefully they will adjust. I got to get that little branch inside. And I hope the rodents don't bother them. I really hope they don't bother them. So y'all wish me luck over this growing season. I know they probably do a little bit adjusting to the soil, but hopefully they'll be fine. And then over here is, I think this is another pear. She looked like she's trying to bounce back, and yeah, she looks like she's trying to bounce back, but what I'm seeing is she may have that same problem because I can see the little damage on the leaves. So you're going to watch her. Keep an eye on her. Yeah, definitely see that. Yep, the same kind of damage. Some kind of fungicide. I mean, some kind of fungus. So I got to get busy. I got to get on this. So that's what the orchard is looking like. There you have it, you guys. The homestead is fully awake. Yep. So I did get 2 of the citruses out. Now I have to fill up these holes that been prepped, and actually we had the blueberries. I have not mastered sowing blueberries yet. So we had more blueberries that did not make it. I thought I had one, but it was my son came out here. He was weed whacking and tore the whole thing up. I said, didn't I tell you to watch my blueberry? I'm trying to save that one blueberry. But blueberries are resilient too, so who knows? Maybe that one will come back. But right now we have, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 empty holes, and I don't like seeing empty holes, so maybe I could catch a good sale within the next couple of weeks and get these holes filled up. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the orchard update, and I hope everyone is doing really, really well. Stay hydrated, stay safe, make sure you guys are still stocking up. Be careful out here, you guys. Take care of yourself. Take a break, have a glass of wine, have a bud. Do not overexert yourself out here in this heat. Pace yourself. Alright, family? This is SEK, the homesteader. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.